Welcome back to Jim's Kitchen. I'm ready to make another vintage casserole. This one is a John Wayne casserole. I've made a John Wayne casserole before, but this one's completely different. This one involves cheese and tomatoes and egg whites. Let's try it. It comes from my McCall's Great American Recipe Collection. There it is. Let's do it. Grab a baking dish, make sure it's sprayed, and add some sharp cheddar cheese and some Monterey Jack cheese. Add a can of green chilies and mix that in. You need 2 bowls and 4 eggs. You gotta separate that egg. See, I got my yolks, I got my whites, I've got 4 eggs. Grab your mixer. We need to make these whites stiff. To that bowl with the 4 yolks, add 2/3 cup of milk, a tablespoon of flour, little salt, and some pepper. Mix until blended. Gently fold in those egg whites and pour it over that cheese mix. Let it spread through that cheese. I'm gonna bake it at 325 for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's out of the oven. It's very unusual texture. It says now to put a ring of sliced tomatoes all the way around, but I'm not doing that. I had so many cherry tomatoes in the garden, I'm just gonna pour some of those cherry tomatoes on the top. Back in the oven for 30 more minutes. There it is. Fascinating. It's very airy and wonderful and cheesy. Overall, it's a winner. Thanks, John Wayne. What happens when a group of students get their shoelaces tangled together? They go on a class trip.